Hello for ang dilim ko. Ayan. Hello, and this is another unboxing video. We've already excuse me. We've already unboxed this coffee maker, and now we're going to unbox the second box. Okay, here we go. Okay, so the first thing you'll see here is actually the Nescafe Dolce Gusto. Okay, so here are the instructions. There are 1, 2, 3 step here. This is a Nescafe DLC Americano rich flavor, and it has this. There's Ate Pilar. Hi, say hi to the camera. Hi.
Hi.
Okay, so first is yes. There we go. Okay, and you'll have to unbox it in here too. Oh wow. Oh, there are kinds of boxes here. There's another box, which is the flavor. Oh, there's actually two. One is the espresso intenso, and this is the longo. Oh, social. See, yes. And this one. So this is the surprising encounter of a full-bodied Robusta with a fruity Arabica. Oh. Well, I can't wait to taste this. Oh, and this is a different one, which is the high quality of Arabica beans, tailored grind for a full aroma in a long cup. Oh, and here, this is a nice one. Their motto is enjoy a wide choice of coffee creations and more in dolce-gusto.com. So, that's it, guys. This is the two thing that you'll pour in the coffee maker, and this one is the machine. Thank you, Dad. Love you.